Hello everyone. Today we are just discussing this is going to be probably uploaded on the last week of December. So it's going to be December 31 will mark the end of the year, which is Tuesday. Probably this is going to be uploaded um probably the Christmas Eve or 24, and the next video is going to be 27 and 31. Ayan yung ating mga New Year 2025 video before we get back into Uranology, which is far long delayed na because I was busy. So, ulitin ko, probably pwedeng magbago 24, 27, and 31. Those are the days that I am going to upload what the Lord sees in 2025. News tells me that Korea has declared martial law. Sabi ni Lord, simula na ba yan ng Armageddon? Sabi sa kanila, hindi pa raw. It's just the beginning. 2025 before was the year of vindication, but the Lord said it's now. 2025 is the year of uncertainty. 2024 was the last hurrah or the last chance of people to surrender unto His ways. But sabi ni Lord, nothing was true. Walang nagkatotoo. Wala daw nakita si Lord na simbahan na talagang, nag-surrender sa Kanya. So, kaya nga sabi ni Lord, napapakamot ng ulo ang Diyos. So, teka muna. Parang nag-antay ako ng 1 taon. And then here we go again. The Lord said, a lot of the things were planted in 2021. Sabi ni Lord, ihanda mo ang sarili mo sa 2021. Before, the Lord said to me, and sabi ni Lord, everything was planted in 2021. Lahat ng kabalastugan ng demonyo na plant na noong 2021, nung medyo lumuwag-luwag na, pero it's still on the pandemic craze. Sasabi ng demonyo, ay, ganito pala yun, ganito pala ang gagawin ng tao, ay, ganito pala ang response ng tao sa mga gagawin natin. Sabi ni Lord, may mga adjustments daw kasi, sabi nga ni Lord, aminado rin naman yung mga demonyo, yung mga higher rank demons na they cannot really go beyond God. If the Lord forbid, they cannot do anything about it. So, the devil, the lower rank devil, thinks that Satan and his other colleagues in disaster making and ruining God's creation is gonna be ending up in limbo because they're still expecting, sinasabi nga niya, na the Lord can be beaten. Yan ang sinasabi siguro ni na Satan, Kaya natin i-outmaneuver ang Diyos, pero at the end of the day, it's the other way around. So, ano ba yung mga na-plant na ni Devil noong 2021? Ito na nga, do you remember that Afghanistan has become a desolate country? Hindi na siya yung bumitaw na yung Amerika dyan. So, that's one. Sabi nila sa akin, it's just the beginning. Do you remember what happened to Russia and Ukraine? Medyo nag-ceasefire, pero there is going to be a war again, not just in Russia, but in the Eastern versus the Western Europe. There will be sabihin natin, sigalot. There will be rumors of wars, especially within the side of Putin. Putin will try to retake the land in USSR. Kung ano ba ang USSR talaga, ayan. So, susubukan ulit i-regain ni Vladimir Putin by next year. They will try, ha? So, they will try to reconquer, sasabihin nila, their land. Pero sabi nila, if you remember Ivan the Terrible, wala naman talagang masasabing sa kanila. Most of their land was invaded by Ivan the Terrible. In-invade. Hindi talaga sa kanila yan. Hindi yan katulad ng mga Denmark na talagang group of people, Denmark or the other parts of Europe, Germany, na they have agreed na this is the land. Of course, the Roman countries are the exemption, di ba? Na sila ng mga barbarians, na nagkawatak-watak sila ng mga barbarians kasi may mga pumasok na mga barbarians and then from there, it imploded. The city of Rome has imploded. And the scattered land, the scattered people have agreed that, this is France, this is ganon yung nangyari. But Russia is a different story. Kaya naman, Russia has been desperate to go on to the waters of the Arctic because they have no definite water passage except dito sa areas. Russia on the east side has desperately taken the lakes, pero countries such as the Eastern Europe countries can block off Russia's path to waterways in the eastern side of the country. But Russia has been desperate to get into the western side. Within the federal subject of Chukotka, they are trying to Vladivostok. Meron nga, alala yung parang, I forgot the term, yung tuldok, may maliit na part na hindi daw kasama sa Russian territory. So, ang daming mga nangisda dun sa area yun. So, eventually, na-fix naman ng Russia na, ito extension yan ng kanilang waterways. Why is Russia so desperate within? Kasi sabi ni Lord sa akin, that is Russia's main flaw. The lack of available waterways. The United States of America has been blessed with Gulf of Mexico, the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. Two major oceans are within their control. They have control of the eastern side of the Pacific Ocean and the western side of the Atlantic Ocean. Kaya nga, Russia, on the other hand, really has to maximize their land. If you don't know, Russia can choose the airline kung sino ang pwede nilang papuntahin. Otherwise, pag yung airline na hindi accredited or hindi approved ng Russian government, they can take them down with no permission. Kasi lupa namin yun eh. Kasi ganito yan. Some of the stories before na kaya ang lakas ng Alaska dati, state of Alaska, because most of the airports go through the Arctic Sea, go to the North Pole, and then bababa sa Alaska, and then they will go downwards. For example, Tokyo, ayun ang daan nila, which is a longer route, but that's the next shortcut because Russia has blocked their way towards land. But now, sabi ni Russia, okay, sige. Pagkakitaan naman natin to, sige, pwede naman nating pagtyagaan. Sige, pwede naman nating mahalang bayad, ha? So, bakit nga ba tayo napunta sa Russia? 2025 is a year of uncertainty. Russia has strong control over the land. They can block pathways. Lahat ng, kunwari, pupunta doon na hindi nila kaalyado, pwede nilang pasabugin yun. And sabi nila sa akin, the nuclear content, the nuclear power of Russia is so powerful that once they have implanted through their plane or could be their submarine, na pwedeng palusutin sa Arctic Sea na di naman mahalata, can cause massive devastations in the Western Europe. Kaya nga, these are some of the wars. So, punta naman tayo sa Korea. What shall happen in there? Will the North Koreans be successful in conquering South Korea? The Lord's answer is this one. It's not an issue between North Korea and South Korea. Please be clear about this one. The one that really wages war is the G7 and the BRICS. It's between US and the 7 nations versus BRICS. So, anong BRICS? Because North Korea alone cannot have good firepower to face US troops. But with the help of China and Russia, they are more than ready to wage war against them. So, 2025 is a year of uncertainty. So the Lord didn't give me the results if ano ba mangyayari? Will this end in a ceasefire like what Ukraine versus Russia did? Walang sinabi si Lord na mananalo si South Korea. Wala. So sabi ni Lord, everything is going to be analyzed by the Lord what is going to be the best. Because South Korea as of the moment has turned away from the Lord. I repeat, South Korea has turned away from the Lord. There are few people that do the right things, but most of the South Koreans, has not been warm enough to kindle the fire in South Korea. And thus, the result of the martial law. There. So, yun lang naman sa ngayon. So, I'll see you next time. God bless.